Okay, hi, I'm back again. This is our kitchen essentials number 3. We are already on our midterms, and definitely we are on fish. We're just done. We have just finished our stocks. Okay, that was last week, and this week it's going to be special because it's going to be fish time. Okay, we're gonna fishy. How do you buy a quality good fish? It's a kitchen essential subject. So what's the most important thing that you have to consider is the quality of the fish. Okay. Your fish actually is supposed to be, di po siya masyadong malambot. It has to be firm. If you go to the market, the scales are still intact. Okay, the eyes is not red. Wala po siyang sore eyes. Maganda po. Yung gills po niya is going to be fresh. You can see that our quality, okay, fish is here. Even for our bangus or milkfish. This is your milkfish, okay? And this is your tilapia. Now, available po lahat ito sa market natin. And mas mura po ngayon daw ang isda kaysa sa karne. Kasi naging mahal po ang baboy, lalo na ngayong COVID. What am I going to teach you now? It's just simply teaching you how to fillet the fish. Okay. Filleting the fish is one of the most important things that you have to consider. Okay. Knowing that your fish is good quality, it is fresh. In some videos or other books that you will be referring to, kung paano nila fillet yung fish, they start from the top. But for me, I have been used to fillet the fish from the tail of the fish. So, I have definitely simply have to hold the tail. Kaya pagpunta nyo po sa palengke, huwag nyo pong ipapaputol yung buntot yung isda niyo. Kasi pag pinaputol nyo yung buntot ng isda, wala na kayong panghahawakan. Okay, so you have a good knife. This is a fillet knife that we have. So I'm just simply pushing the knife, but I am holding the tail of the fish. So yun po ang panghahawakan ko. Okay. The tail of the fish, dapat po buong-buo yan yung laman kasi yun po yung kakainin natin. Yung bones na iniiwan po. Okay. There we are. We're good. Okay. And from the tail, we have now, slice ko na po siya sa top. And you're going to do this at home for those who are going to have the return demo. You have to hold the body of the fish this way. Okay? Na hindi po nadudurog yung ating isda. I will repeat the procedure. Okay? I will have to hold the tail of the fish. Just simply push that. Okay? Makikita niyo po mamaya na ang nakukuha ko po talaga ay yung laman ng isda. Okay? Laman ng isda, I will hold it this way. Okay, and then slice the head of that fish. And I have now 2 parts of the fish. Ito po yung ating body part at saka ito. Okay, so naiiwan po yung ating bones. Nakita nyo, bone na po siya. Puro tinik na po ang naiiwan dyan. Okay, so I have now the 2 parts. Again, I simply have to hold the tail. Okay? So, dito, hinawakan ko ulit yung buntot ng isda. My knife is going down. Okay? Downwards po siya. I will simply have to pull the tail and straight ahead. This is now my fillet fish. Okay? So, kita nyo po siya. Hiwalay na po yung ating skin from that fish. Buong-buo po yung ating isda. I will do it again. So, ito po yung skin. Binaliktad ko lang po siya. I simply have to hold the tail. I remember when I was studying culinary school, I had to make 100 pieces of this and my chef would simply tell me, do it fast. Okay? So, hinawakan ko lang po yung skin and I have now my beautiful the body of the fish. Of course, may konting tinik po dito. So, ang gagawin ko lang po is simply slice that. Remove po yung bones na po yung tinik-tinik po ng ating isda. At ang maiiwan lang po talaga ay yung ating Okay. Yung laman ng ating isda. Wala na pong tinik ito. Ang mga bata po kasi gusto nila subo na. Wala na po talagang mga tinik-tinik na yan. Okay? You don't have to even remove the skin. It's already there. Okay? So, ito po yung balat ng ating tilapia. Ito po yung bones dito. Okay. It's just simply filleting the fish. Okay. I will go now to my bangus or my milkfish. Okay. Paano po natin ginagawa yung ating boneless bangus? Again, quality-wise, our fish is beautiful, firm, hindi po siya soft. You have the scales intact. Yung kanyang mata ay magandang quality. Yung kanyang kaliskis din po ay maganda rin po. Okay. So, if I'm going to make a boneless bangus, sisiguraduhin niyo po na maganda yung ating quality ng fish. And you're going to slice from the back part. Hindi po dito sa tiyan. Okay. So, ito po. Maganda po ulit yung ating kutsilyo. Okay. Again, you can see how I will simply debone our fish. Dapat po, kita nyo po yan, one-sided, naiiwan po yung bones, yung laman, naiiwan sa kabila. Okay. Ayan po. Kita natin. Alam nyo, yung iba, mabilis lang po nilang gawin ito kasi yun na lang po yung kanilang negosyo din. Mas maganda rin po kung kayo ang matutong maglinis nito, huwag nyo papalinis sa palengke. Pero yung iba, pinapalinis pa rin nila talaga sa palengke. Okay. So, very, very fast. Ayan po yung ating fish. Okay. At ang maiiwan na lang po ay yung kanyang tiyan. Yun po yung masarap na part sa ating boneless bangus. Okay. So, you can see, ito po yung kanyang tinik. Ito po yung pinakalaman. Wala na pong makikitang tinik po dito. Okay. So, slice na po siya. Buo-buo na po ang ating boneless bangus. Okay. Anyway, lilinisin po natin how to remove the other side. No? You simply have this on top. Ito po yung kanyang pinaka-side dito. Okay. Na mayroon pang konting tinik. O, nalis ko na po. And slowly, again, just put it down. Okay. So, yung mga gagawa po ng return demo, siguraduhin nyo din po maganda yung inyong kutsilyo. Okay. So, there you are. Para lang po maalis yung tinik ng ating bangus. Okay. Isang hilaan lang at matatanggal na po ang tinik ng ating isda. Okay. See that everything is there. Alis po yung ating tinik. There you are. Okay. Alisin na po natin yung mga hindi natin kailangan. Maybe you need a tweezer. Or if you need, para maalis lang po yung mga tinik na nandyan. Okay. Wala po kayong tweezer. Ano po pwede natin gamitin? Pa rin pong kutsilyo. Okay. We can simply just remove the gills. Ay, yan po. Yung mga hasang. Yung po hindi po natin kailangan. Ayan. Okay. So, here you are. May konting naiwan lang na tinik dito. Mararamdaman nyo. So, kung wala kayong tweezer, ito lang po yung ating knife. Tatanggalin lang po natin yung mga tinik na naiwan dyan. Okay. So, hindi ko makikita yung return demo nyo kung makikita ko siya, dapat naalis nyo yung mga bones na to. Okay? Hindi ko matitikman. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Hindi ko matitikman. Pero makikita ko kung paano ninyo nilinis yung inyong isda. Okay. So, dapat dito, kita po natin, wala na po akong mararamdaman na mga tinik dito. Wala na po. Ayan po. Pati dito, wala na pong tinik kasi natanggal na po natin ng buong buo at saka naalis na po natin yung ibang tinik na nandito. Okay. This is filleting your boneless bangus. And we have our tilapia that has already been also filleted. I will just simply wash this and I'm ready to fry. Okay, so this has been filleted already. This is our tilapia. Okay, nakikita natin na wala po siyang tinik. Okay, so we have it here. I only have to place a little of my salt. Okay, a little salt and a little pepper. Okay, and I have what you call double-breaded tilapia. Okay, so I place it in egg. Okay, lagay ko po siya sa egg. Nilagay ko po siya sa flour. Nilagay ko po ulit sa egg. At saka nilagay ko po ulit sa flour. Okay, so kita po natin yung ating breaded tilapia ay talagang full po siya ng breadings. Okay, but just simply remove. Mainit na po yung ating kawali. I'm now placing my fish. Okay, so this is our fillet tilapia, which we're going to demonstrate in our kitchen essentials. You have to fillet the tilapia. Nakita nyo na walang tinik po. Makikita ko sa video nyo na walang tinik din po siya. It is with salt, with pepper, and we have here placed in your eggs. Tapos doon po sa flour, tapos sa eggs ulit. Tapos double-breaded po siya para crispy, golden brown lang po yung pagluluto natin sa ating tilapia. Nakita niyo po yung importance ng flour na ligay natin. Hindi po siya nagtatalsik-talsik. Okay, kita nyo? Kasi kung wala po siyang flour, tatasik-tasik na po ito pagka niluto natin. So I should see you place this in flour, in egg, in flour. Again, back to the flour. So this is double-breaded tilapia. Okay. For our bangus, okay, or our milkfish, all you have to do now is, simple lang po, ito yung ating bangus, binabad po natin sa vinegar, okay, babad po natin sa vinegar, babad po natin sa paminta, sa asin at bawang. Ito lang po yung kasama sa ating boneless bangus. And we can only fry this maybe after a day, after 2 days, para po ma-absorb mabuti ng ating fish, yung ating suka. Okay? Mas masarap din kung sukang ilok ang nilagay nyo, or rose vinegar lang po yung nilagay natin. Our available na vinegar we have at home. So you have also to fry this. Ito na. Ang pinaka-importante, essentials, is on how to fillet the fish. Okay? Remove the bones, similar to your tilapia. So we're ready for our plating. So we're ready for our plating. Natapos na natin yung ating tilapia na na-fillet. Wala na pong bones. At saka ang ating boneless bangus. But what we're going to have now for our plating is just our tilapia. We have now our rice here. Naglagay na po tayo ng konting toyo dyan. I am now placing my fish on the rice. Okay. I am now placing also ang ating coral. Okay. Yan. And I will just simply have to add a little of our onion leeks. Okay. A little also of our cherry tomatoes. Masarap po ito sa isda talaga. Combination niya yung ating mga, yan, yung ating tomatoes. So, it is similar to what you have under the sea. This is now our tilapia. Okay? So, parang nandun po sa ilalim ng dagat ang ating isda. This is our tilapia, which has been filleted earlier. Thank you so much. This is our kitchen essentials number 4. This is our fish filleting tilapia and boneless bangus. Thank you so much.